Good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to tell you guys that you mean the world to me, and thank you for your support. And also wanted to show you in the next clip my cough syrup I got from Dollar General tonight. It's making me feel much, much better. It was only $3 a bottle, and I bought 2 bottles. Thank you, Lloyd, Mr. Cindy, for getting me the medicine. Here's the next clip. Okay, guys, it is Rexall from Dollar General, adult non-drowsy maximum strength DM cough and congestion relief with a cough suppressant and generic Mucinex, gluten-free, ages 12 and older, controls cough, relieves mucus and chest congestion, alcohol-free 4-ounce bottle. I already opened one of them. It's on my nightstand and I'm using it. And they gave me a coupon and a receipt. So that's the receipt. And it's the coupon for tomorrow if I go in person and spend $25, which I'm broke until next month. So that's like non-applicable. Our room is coming underway. You don't want to see it right now. It's not finished, but I'll show you a tour on Monday after our inspection. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the final clip. Bye for now. Okay, guys, that's my short video for today. Please give a like and a comment of appreciation, gratitude, and share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell below for all future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great night. Bye for now.